Need to elevate your D2C ads?
I'm sorry, who are you?
Let me show you the way.
What's happening?
Relax, I'm plugging you into motion to elevate your creative analytics.
What is that?
I'm just gonna shove it into your brain, it's easy. We've partnered with 6 of the biggest names in D2C and trained 6 automated workflows to replicate how they'd approach creative strategy for your brand. So you can drive creative strategy like an expert.
I can analyze ads like a world-class strategist.
Now balance your ad spend. Find niche inspiration. Discover which iterations are most profitable. Identify your creative blind spots.
I have no blind spots. With Motion's expert agents, I had the capabilities of the top creative strategists all in the palm of my... Am I still attached?
Sorry, it's caught on the chair.
What is it, your first time?
No.
What are you? You're all tangled.
I know. Click to learn more about expert agents and run your ads like an expert.